Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Secret Agent Woody Woodpecker from 1967. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
It's Woody. Okay, Woody. Oh, I like the music. Oh, Dodge Butler does the voice. Okay. Woody's voice, Gray Stafford. Okay.
This is the big city, a city in big trouble, for it is here that the police have tried in vain to capture that messy little criminal, Louis the Litterbug.
Louis the Litterbug. Ah, okay. Ah, there he is.
My dirty work.
All right. Well, you are a litterbug, so so yeah, he's doing his dirty work. Wow, like he gets enjoyment out of that. Come on. Wow. Oh man, he has rats as pets.
But at this
Wow.
moment, the police are planning one last desperate effort.
Okay.
And so, gentlemen, I have made my decision. I
What
will
is
use
that?
the hotline to our secret agent.
Woody Woodpecker. The hotline. Okay. Ah, it's Woody.
Yeah. This is Secret Agent WOODY.
Okay, Woody?
All right, Woody.
I'm turning the job over to you. I want you to bring in Louis the Litterbug.
Ooh, all right. Wow.
Consider it done.
All right. Secret Agent Woody Woodpecker. I don't know why he would put the sign outside of his house, but like if you're a secret agent, we wouldn't. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't want anybody to know that you're a secret agent. But okay. But all right. It's like okay, Woody. All right. So it's like he's the he's the one that they call. So okay, let's do the job, Woody. Let's do it. Oh wow! Look at this car. That's cool.
The police have announced today that the search for Louis the Litterbug
His
has been turned
eyes.
over to Secret Agent Woody Woodpecker.
Ah, there you go.
That's a laugh. That dumb nut couldn't find the seeds in the watermelon.
Ooh. No, it's like he's gonna find you though. Man, that's a cool car, man.
Comes.
Ooh, he missed him.
I'll turn on the radar.
Okay, let's do it.
Whoa,
He's
there
behind
he
you.
is.
He's behind you. Ah, there you go. Ah, there you go. He found you. He found you, all right. There you go. Let's go, Woody. Let's go.
Now the old fountain pen.
All right, the old what? Oh, the fountain pen. Oh, wow. All right, what is that supposed to do? Like he just covered him with ink, but I guess so he could see the footprints maybe, because I'm sure his feet would have gotten wet with the ink as well. So maybe it's gonna leave his footprints. I don't know. We'll
Now
see.
I'm gonna rub him out.
Now I'm gonna rub him out. All right, that's how you rub him out. All right. Oh wow! Oh, you rubbed him out. Oh wow! Ah, litter can. Oh man.
He can't get away. I'll send
No,
him
he
my
can't.
radio-controlled helicopter with TV camera.
Okay, Woody, let's do it. Now he has a bunch of high-tech
I will
stuff.
direct it over those buildings.
All right, Woody, let's do it. Ah, there he is. There's a litter bug.
Now I'll turn on my wrist TV set.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Wow, that's a cool watch, man. It looks like a little TV. It even has the antennas and everything. That's cool. All right, Woody. He has a bunch of high-tech stuff. All right, that's
He
cool.
goes. I'll hit him off at the corner.
Okay. Let's do it, Woody. There he is.
Give up, Louie. I got you now.
Give up, Louie. Oh no! Oh no, Woody! Oh, I didn't get him.
For the benefit of those who may have missed that, we will show it again through the magic of the instant replay.
All right. All right, that's a W for the instant replay right there. All right. All right, in case you missed that, this is what happened. All right, I thought it smashed Woody, but no, it's like it was still falling when Louie went under there. Okay, all right, you did that to yourself, Louie. You did that to yourself right there. Let's watch the instant replay. Let's do it. Watch it again. There you go. Woody. Oh no. Oh, it's gonna fall on Louie. It's gonna fall on Louie. There you go.
Once more, for your double pleasure,
Another-
we'll show you this again.
Okay, for your double pleasure. All right, yeah, it's like, yeah, let's do all the instant replays for sure. As long as it's not Woody getting hurt, right? I'm all for the instant
They
replays.
think I'm gonna go along with that instant replay stuff again. They're crazy.
I don't
Watch
blame
me
you.
this time.
I don't blame you, Louie. I don't blame you. Now you're gonna go along for the instant replay. Oh, okay. Oh, he dodged that. Okay. Wow. Wow. Hey, it's like it still happened. You can't dodge the instant replay, Louie. You cannot dodge it. Man, it's like it was a different, different scenery, but same result. Ah, there's Woody. Ah, he's in the trash can.
Some people are sure careless.
Yes. Oh, he dropped it in there with Louie. Oh, yeah, someone's in there. There you go. Hey, there you go, Woody.
All right, Litterbug.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go to the prison with you. Oh, no. How did he get out? How did he get out? Oh, yeah.
Hey, you in there, Louie?
No, he's not.
Well,
Wow. Wow. Oh, that Louie, man. It's like he looks so happy when he's littering, man. It's like he just gets enjoyment out of that. Wow. That Louie, man. He's a menace. Oh, no, no. Oh, Woody, that was a close one.
close.
Yes, it was. It really close. Oh, okay, Woody. All right, all right. Wow. Hey, there you go. All out of bullets. Hey, there you go. Good job, Woody. Now put some handcuffs on him.
Hello, Chief. Send the paddy wagon.
Yeah, send the
Just
paddy
watch
wagon.
Louie the Litterbug.
There you go. Good job,
Well
Woody.
done, Secret Agent Woody.
Yes.
And here's your reward.
All right.
Day's work, Chief.
All right, Woody. I wonder what it is. It's money, right? Gotta be money.
Well, that'll buy a lot of birdseed.
Oh, okay. How much was it? Ah! It's like, well, he just littered. Oh, Woody, like that. Woody, like you just captured a litter bug and then you did the same thing. Oh, Woody, man, come on. Oh no, Woody's a litter bug. Oh no.
Secret Agent Woody Woodpecker.
He's in there with Louie. He did the laugh. Poor Woody, man. Come on. They should have gave Woody a pass there. But yeah, it's like the whole point, like you were catching a litter bug, Woody, and then you just went and littered yourself. Oh man, wow. But I'm pretty sure they wouldn't put you in jail for littering, right? I mean, maybe they would like fine you, right, or something. But it's like they should have just gave him a fine. I mean, right? It's like poor Woody, he didn't deserve to go to prison. And then with Louie, man, I mean, Louie maybe he did because he was a repeat offender. He just got enjoyment out of littering. So so it's like Louie was a menace, man. But poor Woody. Oh man, and then that laugh in the end, man, he was so like sad. Poor Woody. But yeah, no, this was a great one. Really good. I enjoyed it a lot. No complaints at all. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.